Let's make the box pleat on the back bodice. The Frida shirt pattern has got pairs of pleat lines on the yoke seam of the back bodice. You should have marked 2 pairs of pleat lines when you cut your fabric. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the fabric right sides together to bring together 1 pair of these pleat lines, so they're on top of each other, and then pin them together. So this might take a little bit of adjustment. You want to make sure that the pin is going exactly through the lines on either side. Oh, that was a bit of a fluke. I did that one first time. It can take some adjustment. We do the second pleat. So I'm bringing together the 2 lines, stacking them on top of each other. And then making sure that the pin is coming out on the line on both sides. So now we're going to stitch along each of these pinned lines, back tacking at each end. So I'm going to start sewing the first pleat line from the tip of this line. So I'm going to use my hand wheel to carefully lower the needle in place and check that it's starting in the correct place. Make sure my threads are pulled out towards the back to avoid knots. I'm going to sew a stitch and then back tack, and sew forwards. And before I get to the end, I'm just going to back tack again. And snip the threads. And then I'm going to do the same with the other pair of pleat lines. I've got my fabric wrong side up, and I'm going to press these 2 pleats that I've sewn towards the centre. Now bear in mind, they're not going to meet in the middle and they're not going to meet the centre back notch. Let's just check from the right side. So this is what it will look like from the right side once it's finished. Now, if you want to, you can just pin these pleats in place, making sure the raw edges are all flush together. And then we're just going to take that over to the sewing machine. Now set your machine to a long stitch, so 4 or 5. And then we can tack or baste horizontally across these pleats 10mm or 3/8 of an inch from this raw edge. Make sure that both pleats are staying pressed towards the centre as you do this. So from the right side, there's your lovely box pleat ready to attach to the back yoke.